Hi everybody, welcome back to 5 Minutes with Patty. I'm Patty Fletcher from the Technology Marketing Team, and I am joined right now with Mark F. Bernard, according to his business card, from the Customer Solution Adoption Group. So my first question, first of all, Mark, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
And what does the F stand for?
It's Frank.
Excellent, okay. Well, Mark, tell us a little bit about you and what you do.
Yes, I have been with SAP now for close to 15 years. I've been working mostly with SAP NetWeaver BW and most recently with BW on our new SAP HANA platform.
Great, that's a great evolution there. So I think that you're probably then the right person to ask how BW powered by HANA is different from the standard BW.
Yes, well, it's a shift in platforms. So customers who run today on a relational database like Oracle or DB2 are now able to run the SAP NetWeaver BW solution on the HANA database. And for new customers, it's pretty straightforward. They just get the HANA appliance and install BW on top of it. For existing customers, we made all the changes into the most recent code line for BW, which makes the transition relatively easy. They can migrate the platform, so export the things out of the original database and import it into SAP HANA, and then they are on the new platform and can leverage all new capabilities of BW on HANA. It's a great simplification in terms of TCO. For example, you need only one license. You don't need a separate license for the Oracle database and NetWeaver, and then eventually BW Accelerator. You now get only one, and it's a big plus for our customers.
Fantastic. So there is definitely some questions around the technical differences.
Mm-hmm.
Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yes, we made quite some significant changes. From the look and feel, the application behaves exactly the same way, but one of the bigger changes is in the design of the info providers within BW. For example, for the info cubes, we have now HANA optimized versions of the info cube, which simplify the star schema. And this allows, for example, data to be loaded faster, and you get the query performance that you used to with BW Accelerator on these info cubes now. The second point is that we optimized also on the data store objects. This is one of the fundamental pieces for data warehouses that customers use for loading data, harmonizing it. And the key feature is to produce the delta and have consistent delta images. And this is a process that is very tedious and long-running in most customer systems. So we pushed these kind of calculations into the HANA engine. So rather than running them on the application server, these are now stored procedures that run in the HANA database.
Which is a really important point. I don't think a lot of people really or maybe are aware of that we have algorithms running right in HANA, right?
Yes, and that's the difference of running BW on the HANA database platform, where we can do these kind of things. And for customers, they will see really large improvements there, be able to load data and activate it in the data store objects in a much faster way.
Fantastic. So, did you have anything?
Yeah, I have a third point, and that's actually a very interesting point as well, and that is around the planning capabilities of BW. So we have various products or in BW that can leverage planning, and we're pushing the planning calculations also into the engine. So overall, your planning processes are going to run much smoother.
That's extremely important for our customers. That's wonderful. So just to wrap up, can you talk to us about if our BW customers are able to leverage the real-time and flexibility modeling capabilities?
Yes, that's one of the points as well. We don't only support BW schema on the HANA database. Customers can create their own database schema within HANA, load real-time information into that part, and then use BW capabilities to combine these schemas together with the information that they already have in their BW system. So it makes the environment
Best
much
of both
more
worlds. Yeah.
flexible, and you have agile data modeling capabilities.
That's fantastic. Great. Well, thank you so much. There is so much buzz around BW on HANA. So this has been a great 5 minutes. Thanks so much. And we are actually going to spend another 5 minutes on a separate interview with Marc talking about some proof of concept. So make sure you link on that after you're done here. Thanks so much, everybody. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Great. Take care, everyone.